Ever wondered how to make your pastries look as good as they taste? Today, we're diving into the delectable world of pastry presentation, exploring the art and science behind plating. Stay tuned as we unveil the top 7 creative ways to take your pastries from delicious to downright irresistible. First up, we have the classic dusting with powdered sugar. This simple technique brings out the beauty in pastries, adding a touch of elegance. It's like a gentle snowfall, enhancing the visual appeal of your favorite treats. A dusting of powdered sugar can make your pastries look as though they've been kissed by a winter wonderland. Next, consider using edible flowers. They're not just for decoration, but add a pop of color and a sophisticated touch to your pastries. From roses to pansies, these floral additions can transform your pastries into a blooming garden of delights. Our third tip involves creating patterns with icing. This sweet, versatile medium can transform your pastries into intricately patterned delights. From delicate swirls to bold geometric designs, the possibilities are endless. With a little icing and imagination, your pastries can become edible works of art. Now, let's move on to our final 4 tips. First, consider garnishing with fruits. A slice of kiwi, a few berries, or a twist of citrus can add a pop of color and a touch of freshness to your pastries. Next, get creative with a doily for stenciling. Position it over your dish, dust with powdered sugar or cocoa, and remove it to reveal a beautiful, intricate design. Thirdly, don't underestimate the power of a sprinkle of nuts. They add a crunch that contrasts wonderfully with the softness of your pastries, and their earthy tones balance out sweet flavors. Finally, remember that plating with style is key. Use a variety of heights, angles, and spaces to make your plate visually engaging. These creative tricks can transform your pastries into show-stopping pieces that will wow your guests. And there you have it, 7 ways to make your pastries look as good as they taste. From dusting with powdered sugar to using a doily for stenciling, these creative tips will elevate your pastry presentation skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more delicious ideas and tips. Happy baking!